How to build a Magidome. First, start by cutting 25 lumber into equal lengths. The length of your lumber will determine the size of your dome. Pre-drill pilot holes in each end of your lumber using a connector as a template. We recommend using 5/16 carriage bolts with washers and nuts for assembly. Start by laying out a pentagon on an even surface. With the help of a friend, assemble from the ground up. Once assembled, we recommend adding braces and anchoring to the ground. Magidomes are versatile, easy to assemble, and have so many uses.